Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel The Learning Process. Dear students, we are present here with lecture number 4C, in which we will practically demonstrate mole and Avogadro number. We will practically help you to understand mole and Avogadro number. So dear students, let us to start. Dear students, in this cup I have 18 gram of water, and this 18 gram of water is equal to 1 mole. Why it is equal to 1 mole? Let us to understand. We know that the molecular formula of water is equal to H2O. Now, molecular mass of H2O, molecular mass of H2O, it is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 AMU, because the atomic mass of one hydrogen atom is equal to 1 AMU, plus 1 multiplied by 16 AMU. Here the number of oxygen atom is equal to 1 and the atomic mass of one oxygen atom is equal to 16 AMU. So we will get 2 AMU plus 16 AMU. Therefore, it will become equal to 18 AMU. Now dear students, this 18 AMU is the molecular mass of water. When this 18 AMU is expressed as 18 gram, then it will be called 1 mole, and this is 18 gram water. Therefore, I say that it is equal to 1 mole, because the molecular mass of water 18 AMU has been taken in gram as 18 gram, and this is called 1 mole water, and this 18 gram is called the molar mass of water. Now dear student, I drink this 1 mole of water. If someone asks us that how many molecules have I taken, then our answer will be that I have engulfed 6.02 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 23 water molecules, and this is equal to Avogadro number. Dear students, in this 1 mole water which I have drank, I have engulfed round about 6.02 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 23 water molecule. Why? Because it was equal to 1 mole, and the number of particles in 1 mole is called Avogadro number, and Avogadro number is equal to this number. But dear students, it is possible that some water molecule may stick here with the wall of this cup. Therefore, I will say that round about I have engulfed, I have taken 6.02 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 23 water molecules. Now dear student, in this another cup, I have 36 gram of water. This 36 gram of water is equal to 2 mole. How? Because 1 mole is equal to 18 gram, then 2 mole will be equal to 2 multiplied by 18 is equal to 36 gram. Similarly, 3 mole of water will become equal to 18 multiplied by 3 is equal to 54 gram. Now dear students, if I also drink these 2 further moles of water, then I have drank 3 moles of water, and I have engulfed 3 multiplied by Avogadro number of water molecules. Round about 3 multiplied by Avogadro number of molecules, because some molecules of water may stick here. Now dear students, let us come to another example. This is 342 gram of sugar, and this is equal to 1 mole. Why it is equal to 1 mole? Let us to understand. Dear students, the molecular formula of sugar, as you know, is equal to C12H22O11. This is the molecular formula of sugar. Now the molecular mass of sugar, C12H22O11, will be equal to 12 multiplied by 12 AMU the number of carbon atoms is equal to 12, and the mass of one carbon atom is equal to 12 AMU, plus the number of hydrogen atoms is equal to 22, and the atomic mass of a single hydrogen atom is equal to 1 AMU, plus the number of oxygen atoms is equal to 11. It will be multiplied by 16 AMU, because the atomic mass of a single oxygen atom is equal to 16 AMU. Thus, dear students, we will get the molecular mass of sugar having formula C12H22O11 is equal to 12 multiplied by 12 is equal to 144 AMU, plus 22 multiplied by 1 is equal to 22 AMU, plus 11 multiplied by 16 is equal to 176 AMU. Now by adding all of these, we will get 342 AMU. This 342 AMU is the molecular mass of sugar. Now when this 342 AMU is expressed in gram, then it will be called 1 mole, as you can see here. This is 342 gram of sugar, and this is the molecular mass of sugar. When this was converted into gram, then this amount is called 1 mole. Now dear students, this is equal to 1 mole sugar, and in this 1 mole sugar, it will contain avogadro number of sugar molecules such as 6.02 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 23 sugar molecules. If someone eat all of this sugar, we will say that he has eaten 6 avogadro number of sugar molecule, such as we will say that he has eaten 6.023 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 23 sugar molecules. And this 342 gram is called the molar mass of sugar. It means that 1 mole sugar in grams is equal to 342 gram. Now, dear student, let us to understand with another example. We have third example in which we have sodium chloride. Dear students, this is 58.5 gram NaCl and it is equal to 1 mole, and 58.5 gram is called the molar mass of this sodium chloride. This is 58.5 gram NaCl and it is equal to 1 mole. How? Let us to calculate. NaCl. Now we will calculate the formula mass of NaCl. The ionic mass of sodium is equal to 23 AMU plus the ionic mass of chloride is equal to 35.5 AMU. It is equal to the molar, it is equal to the formula mass, not molecular mass but formula mass of NaCl. The ionic mass of sodium ion is equal to 23 AMU. The ionic mass of chloride ion is equal to 35.5 AMU. By adding these, we will get 58.5 AMU. This is the formula mass of sodium chloride. When this formula mass is expressed in gram, then when this formula mass is expressed in gram, then that will be called 1 mole, as you can see here. This is 58.5 gram NaCl and the AMU has been replaced by gram. Therefore, this amount of sodium chloride is called 1 mole and 58.5 gram is called the molar mass of sodium chloride. Dear students, in this 58.5 gram sodium chloride, avogadro number of NaCl particles will be present. Avogadro number of NaCl unit will be present, because it is 1 mole and 1 mole of a substance may contain avogadro number of particles. Here the particles will be sodium chloride units, which are called formula units. Now, dear students, you will be confused that in this cup 18 gram of water was present, which was also equal to 1 mole. In this plate 342 gram sugar is present, it is also equal to 1 mole. In this plate 58.5 gram NaCl is present, it is also equal to 1 mole. And in all of these it is 1 mole, it is 1 mole, and this is 1 mole. And in all of these three different things of 1 mole, Avogadro number of particles are present. So here a question arises that why So dear student, here a question arises that why such a large amount of sugar is equal to 1 mole and why such a small amount of water is equal to 1 mole, and both of them contain Avogadro number of particles. So dear student, the answer is that the molecular mass of sugar is very greater than the molecular mass of water. The molecular mass of water was equal to 18 AMU and the molecular mass of sugar was equal to 342 AMU. Therefore, 1 mole of sugar will contain a very large amount and 1 mole of water will contain a very small amount. Now dear students, you may not be confused that this 1 grain of sugar is equal to 1 molecule. Dear student, all of these 1 grains, these are not 1 molecules, but this grain of sugar may contain thousands of sugar molecule. Each of these grains, dear students, each of these grains may consist of thousands of sugar molecules. And dear students, all of these sugar grains collectively forms Avogadro number of sugar particles.